Hello, my name is Neotha Williams, and I am the owner of Moses Stem Inc. So today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a basic book in Book Creator. So first things first. Um, Also, I'm going to tell you too. I also teach on outschool.com. So if you're looking to take a science class, look me up. I offer plenty of classes, and I'll be more than happy to have you. So today we're gonna go do a quick tutorial on a basic book in Book Creator. So here is the teacher dashboard. Book Creator is pretty cool. I like this app. I like this program. They have a free subscription, and then they have one that's $5 for 180 books. And I forgot how many libraries. And then they have one bigger than that. I think 1,000 books or more for about $10 a month. Okay, yeah, it's 1,000, about $10 a month, and I like it. I think it's a good investment. I use these books for a interactive notebook, so in my science classes, and then when I teach on our school, I give that option to them to download it if they want to keep it as that's my kind of like my thank you gift. So first things first, we're going to create a new library. So anytime you come in here, you want to create a new library for a new class. So I'm just going to create one just for you guys. So here's the new library. Here are the options, okay, that you have. You can search, edit, read each other books. Students can publish their books online, which I don't have it on right now. So for this purpose, I'm just going to name this YouTube, okay? And then we're going to create the library. I'll probably delete this after we get through with this. Just as on for this purpose. Now you're going to click into this library here. This is the library. So now that you have this done, I usually take this link, posted in Google Classroom, and then I'll put the code. This is the code. This is the code that they need. It's similar to Google Classroom when the kids join. They type this code in, and it takes them automatically into this particular classroom. You don't share this code. You can change it if you need to, but you don't share it. So now we're going to create a book. So we're going to do a basic book. So to create a book, here it is, new book. Okay? So you have 6 type of books that you can make. You can do a portrait, square, landscape. And then the other option is the same thing, but it's a comic. Let's do comic. I never really did a comic before. So now I kind of decide on what background I want my book to be. So I usually go here to the eye, where you go to the eye and see how they have comic backgrounds, and then they have recent backgrounds, etc. You can make comic background, or you can do the recent backgrounds. So they also have paper, borders, patterns, and textures. Let's look at the textures. I like textures. So let's do this. So now we got that done. So now we got to think about a title. So I don't know. I'm just thinking, what do I need? What do I want? Let's do text. So if you want to put in letters, text. And then you can pick the text style that you want. So text. So mine would be middle school. So I'm going to name this book Middle School Physical Science. So we're going to click done here. So now we can pick this box up and kind of straighten it out a little bit. So I like to center it. So we're going to center this book. So you hit I to center. So anything with formatting, I. So you put that there. And then I like to change my font a lot. So I'm changing the font, Play Fair Display. And then I like to make it a little bit bigger. There you go. I need to go. All right. So I like to put a background here underneath my words, my lettering. So you see where we have background here? So you can do background, and let's see what we have here. I don't know how that looks. Okay. It's not the best, but I'll leave it like that. So this is middle school physical science. And usually what I'll do as well, I'll add another link since I'm creating this. Text, my business name. Got that done. I'm gonna put this down at the bottom here. I don't want to go. So now I'm gonna do the same thing here and change the font. Then we go back out since I've changed it, make it a little bit bigger. How big is this one? I'm sorry, guys. 45. I should have been paying attention. I'm trying to make sure everything is even. Let's move this up a little bit here. And then I'm going to center it as well. Of course, I say I again. And then we're going to put that same color background to make sure that it matches. And that's it. Okay. So the cool thing about Book Creator, it locks. So you can lock everything into place once you finish with it. So it doesn't move. So even when the kids make their own copies of this, and the kids can make their own copy. Again, now look, locked. So maybe I want to put a picture on here now. So let's see. I think I have something on my desktop. We'll look. So we're going to insert media. So anytime you want to do texting or insert media or import something, so we're going to do import. So then from there, we're going to go to files. So I'm going to try to pull something off my desktop. I don't know what this is. I'm just going to use a picture for time's sake. This may not even go with it. Okay, well, that's cool because physical science is chemistry. So I will probably. Like I'm missing a little something, but I'll figure it out a little later. Okay, so that's our picture. That's what we're going to use. And then we're going to lock that into place too. So usually what I do, I probably go into Pages Now to create the book, and then I'll copy this. Okay, a couple of times. And we're going to probably do a couple more pages, and then we'll stop. So then double click to go back in. So now we're going to change that font. So usually I have a table of contents that's after this. So after I do table of contents, bam, I'm going to take this picture off. I'm going to unlock it. Right click, unlock, delete. Okay, so usually I do my table of contents after I finish completing the book. Usually I make my book based off of the objectives for that unit. Well, that is what I make it off of. Again, I'm going to take the picture off again. So now we're going to put a video. I'm going to show you guys how to insert a video. All right, so now let's find a video. We're going to do the same concept. Anytime you want to insert any type of media, you're going to hit plus. Media. Import. Oh, you have to hit embed. So if you have to hit embed, I forgot, you got to go to YouTube and find something. So let's go to YouTube for a second. Sorry about that. And usually the first unit and should be Adams. Adams. All right. So let's see what we got here. So I'm gonna just get this simple little what is an Atom video here. Share. We're gonna copy that link. Let's go back to Book Creator. So now since we have embed, we're gonna copy and paste the link in this spot for the embed code. Just say confirm web link. So now it's gonna confirm. And there he is. And it didn't have a title, so I'll probably add a title. What is an atom? Add the book. And so that's the video. And you can have the ability as well to make this video bigger. And that's the only thing. And now this is hard part here. I can lock it. It's hard to lock videos, but it's locked. Let's see if it's gonna play. Sometimes it'll lag a little bit. It took you straight there, but usually, let's see. I never had that happen. I probably get another one to put in there, but that's the video. And also, like if you have a book like Discovery Ed, like a subscription your school use Discovery Education, you can also download those videos. You can download them and put them in and upload them into Book Created by using the file function. So now after that, time to add some type of content. I'm not sure what we're gonna put here. I know we usually start off with Adams. I usually do a lot of writing prompts in my interactive notebook. So I usually name this Reflections. Because usually the reflection of the writing prompt is based off of whatever video that is. So I may ask them name the subatomic particles of an atom. And that's what I might put here. All right, so that's done. I'm going to change the font again to Playfair Display. If you want to, you can make it a little bit bigger. It's on you. I don't know what your taste is. And that is it. Well, since it's a question, I could just leave it like that. And you don't have to put in the background for this because the kids will be answering this. And then you lock it into place. So now, when the children come to answer the question, all they have to do is double click and just start typing after the period. And that is it. Another function it has is making videos and making recordings. And I'm big on video reflections as well. But we can kind of do that for a second if you want. I hope it doesn't take too long. So now, to record a video, you go to camera. And from camera, you see me. That's me right here. You're going to record a video. Now, and see, count down 3, 2, 1. Blah, 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 blah. Done. So now we're going to stop the video. Now we're going to use the video. And for some reason, I think now they must have just updated something on here. It won't let you do too much to it. It'll let me make it smaller, but it's hard to move. So I'm going to move it here. Then I'm going to lock it. And that is the video right there, your video reflection. So we're pretty much done. Let me see. I don't have anything else here. Cool. So I'm going to go to pages and delete these other pages that I don't need. We're going to start back from the beginning. Later on, I'll put the, I'll probably change this picture out. I don't like it. But let me see if I can make it smaller because this bothers me. I don't know how I didn't realize it was like that. Let's lock it back. That's better. All right, so let's look at this in presentation, and then we're finished. But this is a basic book. We can go into a little bit more advanced stuff at another time. But this is a basic book. This is something that I would give my kids. But usually it covers the whole unit. All right, so if you have any questions, please give me a phone call. And not a phone call, but you can also contact me through my website or my email. The link is in YouTube. And you guys have an awesome day, okay?